Hello, today I will be talking about a very common skin condition called eczema. Eczema is also known as atopic dermatitis. So, what is eczema? Eczema is a long-standing skin condition which causes dryness, itching, and inflammation of the skin. Most important point to remember is eczema is non-contagious, means it doesn't spread on contact. And second important thing is eczema can happen at any age, starting from infancy to childhood to adulthood. So now, what are the causes for eczema? Most important cause for eczema is family history. Suppose one of the parent is having eczema, hay fever or asthma, there is a possibility that the child can have eczema. So what happens that there is a gene called filaggrin gene which is responsible for skin barrier and helps in retaining moisture. But if there is a mutation in this gene, then it can lead to eczema. Second most important cause is when there is overactive immune system, then it can lead to eczema. Third important cause is when there is a weakened or damaged skin barrier, it can lead to eczema. So now most important is what are the triggers for eczema. So it can be various triggers including environmental and also stress plays very important role in flaring up the eczema. In environmental, it can be either very excessive hot climate, excessive cold climate, sudden fluctuation in the climate, dust, pollen, mites or some soap, detergent or any chemicals. All these can lead to eczema. One more very important trigger to eczema is various food. So if you are getting repeated eczema, you can also do food allergy test by a simple blood test so that you come to know which food is triggering you eczema. Lastly, if you have eczema, try to find out your trigger and work on it. Thank you.